What's going on, world? It's me, Andre Catting out here from West Palm Beach, Florida. So today is the last day to copy my trades at the price of $150. All right. Price will be going back to $500. For this whole week, I was doing it, letting you guys copy my trades at a discounted price. Well, today is the last day. If you're watching this video, today is the last day to copy my trades at the price of 150. Tomorrow, price will go back to $500 a month, and it's worth it. It's worth every penny, you know. So if guys want to save some money, take advantage of it. Okay, but I want to talk about Euro USD. Euro USD is a trade that I took based on the higher time frames, like the weekly and the daily, and as you can see, I'm up $7,000. So literally, if you was copying my trades, at the risk that I'm taking and at the lot size that I'm taking, you could be up $7,000 just like me. As you can see, nothing but blues here, and like I said, these trades could be automatically copied automatically to your account, hands free. And yeah, today is the last day. You can copy these trades for only $150. Yes, you will be locked in at $150 a month. If you don't take advantage of it today, you will not be. It'll be $500 a month. So take advantage of it. Um, I'm gonna continue to hold this trade. Maybe try to hold it until like 10,000. I'm gonna close it before. I'm definitely gonna close it before the market closes. At the time of this video, it is Friday. So I will be closing these trades before, yeah, before the market close. But let's go ahead and talk about why I took this trade. Okay, so as you can see, um, I'm on a daily chart of Euro USD, right? And you might be wondering like, what is this? What is this pattern? This is a pattern, a harmonic pattern, called the bullish shark. I have this indicator that will literally, um, detect harmonic scanners and harmonic patterns on my trading view chart. So the reason why I took this is based on the bullish shark, and as you can see, we're definitely pushing off of the bottom of this bullish shark harmonic pattern. But another reason why I took this trade is because if I take out, and most of you guys know, I use Fibonacci retracement. So if I take out my Fibonacci retracement tool and draw it all the way over here to the top here, right? You'll see that price came back down to the 88.6 Fibonacci retracement level. This is a major reversal level here, okay? And it's on the daily. Whenever like you use the Fibonacci retracement on the higher time frames, it respect the Fibonacci a lot more than the lower time frames, okay? And it rejected the 88.6 Fibonacci retracement perfectly, okay? Perfectly. So I'm in this trade right now. Now I'm not, like I said, I'm going to close the trade before Friday, before the market opens. But this Euro USD all next week, we could see price just do this all week next week. We could see this. Okay, I'm not saying that it's gonna happen, but we could see that. Okay. Now it's gonna take maybe like it's not gonna get all the way up here, like all the way up here, and next week. But it could take like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks to get up to this level. But you can take advantage of, if you're a day trader, you can take advantage every single day and get in, buys off of certain areas of the market. But I do see this going bullish. I mean, I'm not saying that's going to happen like that, but it could happen. All right, because normally whenever you see a pattern like this, it goes up to this level. Okay, so as you can see here, if you go back, you can see this right here as well. If you got in right here, like if I take out my Fibonacci retracement level here, you'll see. Let me see. You'll see price came down. Price came down to almost to the same exact area, 88.6 Fibonacci retracement level, but this time it came all the way down to the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and it respected that. Okay, so this area you could have got in like right here in this area and just rolled this all the way up. How many pips that is? I don't know how many pips that is, but you could have caught. Let me see. That's been like you could have caught like almost 300 pips right there on that move right there, based on the daily chart. So these harmonic patterns, it gives me a little edge in the market. Based because I also draw my zones and I draw um, my session zones, and I look at the higher time frames to figure out the market structure and stuff like that. But these give me a little edge in the market as well. See, here's another one. You could have caught this move right here all the way up. So yeah, I mean, you're not gonna win every harmonic pattern, but because the market is gonna do its own thing. Okay. But like I said, guys, if you want to copy my trades automatically over to your account, hands free, I'm only charging $150 per month. You will be locked in at that price. So if you guys are interested in that, reach out to me on Instagram, and then I can go ahead and get you set up. But tomorrow, price will be back to $500 because 500, like even though I'm charging you guys $500 to copy my trades, it's still a very, very, very affordable compared to what profits that I'm going to be making. Okay. But let's take a look and see what our trade's looking at like now. Okay. So we're up 8,000. We were just up 7,000. Now we're up 8,000. It's probably just fluctuating through 8,000, 7,000, 8,000. I might close it out at maybe 10,000, maybe. Depends on how the market moving, how the markets are moving. But let's go back to the charts real quick. So that's that. So I showed you that. I showed you how I use the harmonic pattern along with my Fibonacci retracement tool. But if we go and let me see where I'm at right now. Okay. Oh, I'm not even showing you the chart. Okay. All right. So I took the harmonic pattern out, but usually what I usually do is I start off the weekly. Well, we can look at the monthly too sometimes. I look at the monthly sometimes too. Okay. As you can see, we was bearish at one point. Lower low, low high. Now we're creating, higher highs and higher lows on the monthly. And sorry for the noise. Look, there's some ambulance going on and police going on out there. All right, so let me take off this Fibonacci retracement tool here. So what I like to do is I like to figure out, what the market structure, what the market structure is. Are we creating higher highs, higher lows? Are we creating lower highs and lower lows? I like to figure that out first. And as you can see, we was creating lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So this is the higher low. As you can see, I have that mark there, higher low. And then this is the higher high. So price never, let me see, did it close below that? This level here? Yeah, it didn't close. So technically, price wicked all the way down, but technically it didn't close below this level right here. Okay? There must be something going on out there because they're going crazy out there. Okay, so yeah, so technically it didn't close below because when it comes to changing structure, I look for a body close under the previous structure. Okay, so let me move this out the way. Okay. So yeah, so that's what I look for. Okay, so technically on the weekly we are bullish. Okay, now on a daily we definitely might be bearish, but the daily, the 4 hour and the lower time frames has to go bearish to get to our area of interest when it comes to the weekly, the weekly chart. Okay, so we're on the daily we're creating lower lows and lower highs. Okay. So we'll put that there. And yeah, so technically we're daily, bearish on the daily, and then I also have, let me see, I also have a parallel channel here as well, and as you can see, look like we're breaking out of this parallel channel as well. But we are bearish though at the moment so far. Let me see. Yeah, we're creating lower lows, lower lows. Yeah, so basically we have to break this level to create a new higher high. So if we want the 4 hour to shift bullish, we have to get up here. Okay, at least. All right, so we have the daily and we have the 4 hour bearish. But I'm trading based off of the weekly structure and also that daily harmonic pattern. Okay, because daily you can say that we're bearish, but at the same time, if you look at this level here, price never closed below this level over here, so we still have that level. So that's why I drew my Fibonacci retracement tool here, and then price rejected the 88.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, so yeah, that's that. And then if we break it down to the 1 hour, what I like to do is I like to draw my zones, my session zones at the 1 hour. So in this case, the red candle means that I'm in the U.S. session. The yellow candle means that I'm in the Asian session. The green candle means that I'm in the London session. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to draw the session highs and lows. So technically, this area right here was the previous U.S. session high. All right. Okay, and then down here was the previous session low. All right. And then sometimes when my zones are too big, I like to break it down to the 30-minute or the 15-minute to make my zones a little bit smaller, because I don't like how big the zone is. So in this case, I would do something like this. That's a little bit more better. Okay. And then sometimes I look in the past, like to see if this zone that I drew on the previous U.S. session high, I like to see if price rejected this area in the past. Right? That's why I like to see first. Is this zone strong, or so I go back in the past, I go deep in the past and see, if this area has been rejected. So yeah, so price like it's been rejecting this area. So this area right here is definitely being respected, rebroken and respected. This area is definitely creating, support and resistant levels here off of the zone. So when it's under the zone, it's bearish, and then when it's above, kind of struggling to get up there. But when it's above, it's definitely bullish. Yeah. So yeah, we're back here. So yeah, so once price get up into this area, price could struggle. Maybe you could reject this level. What price could do is price could come up here like this and do something like that. Okay, so we got to be real careful. That's what I'm saying. Like if price can come back up here, if price gets up here, we're definitely around $10,000 in profit. Okay, we're definitely $10,000 in profit if we can get up there. Let me delete this. All right, we're definitely we're definitely 10,000, 11,000, 12,000 if price get up into this area, because technically on the daily and the 4 hour we're bearish. So normally, I like to go with the two time frames in sync. I used to like do that, but we have the weekly bullish right now, but technically the daily, the 4 hour is bearish. So I'm kind of going against one of my rules, because I like to have at least two time frames in sync, like the daily, either the daily, the weekly, or the 4 hour. I need two of those time frames to be in the same direction. But so I'm kind of going against my rules here. So, but once once you've been trading so long, you know how the markets could react. Okay, but if price gets up here, I might go ahead and close, because I don't know if price is gonna reject this area. But What could also happen is price could break this level, right? Reject this blues area, come back down here like this, something like that maybe, and then eventually break this zone, and then you know come down, come up, boom. Could see that all next week, okay? But yeah, there's no news coming out right now. There's no data coming out, so um, we'll see how the market goes, okay? Um, we're still at $8,000 right now, as you can see. Um, yeah, we're still at 8,000. It's barely moving. It's like I don't know what it want. It don't know what it want to do right now. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I just wanted to break that down for you guys, and then like on the 30 minute, what I look for on the 30 minute, I look for the shift of structure. Okay, so if we're creating, we technically on the 30 minute we didn't like shift yet because we're still bearish. Okay, this is still the higher low. I mean the higher, the lower high, and then this is the lower low. So technically, we're still bearish. That's what I'm saying. Price could reject this area and probably create a potential lower high. If I draw my Fibonacci retracement tool here, price could come up into that 88.6 Fibonacci retracement level and reject that area, and then like do something like that, but we don't know yet. We don't know yet. Anything can happen. Okay, anything can happen. We don't know yet, but got to be real cautious when price get into that area. Plus we have a zone, a US session high zone here, so we got to watch. We definitely, usually what I do is I break even once we go up into come up into a zone like this. I break even, that way we don't lose anything. But yeah. What else? What else? So if we look at the 15 minute, maybe let me see. Low, yeah, we're still bearish. Okay, sometimes I look at the 15 minute, the 30 minute, and look for the shift of structure, meaning I want to see price go bullish. Okay, and in order for price to go bullish, it has to create a higher high. It has to break this U.S. session high to create a shift of structure. Okay, because we're technically this whole move right here, it's a bearish move, so it has to create a new higher high up here. Okay, but yeah, that's it, guys. Like I said, oh, I'm not even showing you guys my chart. Let me show you guys my chart. Hold on. Let me show you my chart. So yeah, so basically, what I like to do is to look at this. There's a on the 15-minute chart. There's a bullish cipher, as you can see. Could have got in a trade right here at the bottom. Oops. Could have got in at the bottom right here and rolled it up. But like I said, guys, on the daily, the reason why we got in this trade because I saw a bullish. I saw a bullish shark on the daily. I like to see harmonic patterns on the higher time frames, and then and I look for positions in that direction. So we could see price maybe a week or 2 weeks. We could see price come up here. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. But guys, I hope you guys got some value, guys. Like I said, today is the last day. If you guys want to copy my trades automatically over to your account, it's only $150. But tomorrow the price will be going back to $500. So if you're watching this video, I will reach out to me ASAP. Okay. So with that being said, I'm Andre Catnot here from West Palm Beach, Florida. I will see you guys on the internet. Take care, y'all.